Ganito yan. I've already made my statement before. Okay, yung mga sensitive information for case build-up pa, of course we will not publish those information. Kasi tandaan natin, yung sinishare natin sa public, sa media, pinag-aaralan din ng would-be na respondent. So, hindi yun. May mga matters doon na where we're sifting through the records na turnover sa amin. Yung mga bagay na can be shared with the public, of course we will, no? We will. Pero yung sensitive information, confidential information that relates to cases that we're still building up against possible respondent. Kasi binabangga namin dun sa mga existing namin na cases, no? So we need more time on that, no? So basically, we do acknowledge the right of the public to information, yung karapatan ng publiko na malaman yung laman nun. Definitely, the obligation of the DOJ, we will not withhold anything, no? Basta yung pwede. Ang ayaw lang natin, mabasa tayo o ma-anticipate tayo, di ba? Gusto natin, pare-pare naman gusto natin eh. Gusto nating mapanagot yung dapat managot.
But sir, how are we going to publicize it? Is it like mag-upload ba tayo ng whole file, redacted, tapos may reduction? How are we going?
I cannot tell you now how, diba, when, diba, we're still going through the files na nila. Meron din doon, may isang part doon, they were proposing a system, no? An information system that would solve yung yung maling location, maling ganon. I think that is a product ng ICI. We cannot usurp that, diba? If it's, I think it's for ICI to discuss on those, no? Kasi shinare lang nila namin. Pero yung relevant information as to investigation, still, di ba? Pagpapasok pa siya dun sa case build-up approach. And I think I've discussed, again, final message to